Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again. This is episode 57 of AppScan Tuesdays. Today we are going to talk about something completely new. We never talked about this before, and this is AppScan for you. So to do that, I have brought a new guest to my session. Hi Kathleen.
Hello. Hi, Don.
Hi. Kathleen is a product manager in the AppScan product management team and is in charge of this great new offering that if you go to ASOC now, you probably will see it and we'll show you where. So Kathleen, what is AppScan for you? Or better yet, why as a customer do I care?
Right. So we know that our customers have development teams that maybe didn't go to security school. We also know that they all have security teams that are overloaded with work and don't have necessarily time to help developers. They have their own day job to do. And so this new exciting initiative will help with that problem. It helps support our customers by providing customized uh, advisory guidance.
Yeah, and I think what led us to this outside of we know what customers are asking is we want to allow customers to focus a lot on actually improving their security. Some people are using application security tools just to be able to run scans and automate their scans, but that doesn't make them more secured. We are investing a lot in that area. We were talking about the developer focused articles that we've added. We were talking a little bit about the autocorrelation, but this goes to the human factor, where, as you said, there are hundreds of developers per each security person sometimes, and those hundred of developers may need help and the security person can't help all of them. So we want to help them in that task and at the same time help the security team to get more from their program and focus on that. So maybe, Kathleen, we will jump to the slide that you prepared and the demo instead of continuing like this.
Great.
Okay.
I have one slide that I just wanted to give an overview of AppScan for you. And so, at a high level, AppScan for you provides personalized security advisory services, and these services are focused on the health and the success of our customers' AppSec programs. We working with them, our customers, hand in hand to drive their goals to success and make sure that they're making the most out of their AppScan investment. So AppScan for You is comprised of two different parts. One is a security success partner, and each customer will be assigned a security success partner. And this is a dedicated resource that will be their trusted advisor. They will meet with them regularly and really work with them hand in hand to drive their OPSEC goals. They'll define short and long-term goals and determine success metrics, the appropriate success metrics, and then also provide actionable best practices to achieve those goals. So this security success partner will be able to pull from a number of sources so that they can create a best in breed program that's customized for each customer.
And I really like the discussions that we had about this and why we call it partner and not guide or consultant. This person will partner with the customer and really will be measured to some degree by the success of the customer. So we know if I'm running the application security program, I have a lot on my hand. And I may not know everything there is to know about AppScan, how to, as you mentioned, how to leverage the most out of it. So this person, this partner, will work with me and to try to help me achieve my goals as defined in defined and reviewed during the year, right?
Right. Okay. The other piece of this is what we're calling expert on demand. And this gives our customers direct access to our technical security experts. So they can, within the ASOC interface, with just one click of a button, they can schedule one-on-one time with our experts, and then our experts can help them with things like scan configurations, or interpreting their scan findings, or remediation and mitigation guidance. Really, customers should think of this as our experts, our team of experts, as an extension to their application security team.
And this is being raised by many customers, and in the industry it's known there is a shortage of application security experts, especially compared to development. Hearing that one security person for 150 developers is not that rare. Naturally, they can't handle the load. So here we are trying to help you outsource, offshore, however you want to call it, some of that effort, and allow you and your team to focus on running the program or getting hands-on on really scanning to deep your applications. This part you're going to demo to us soon, right?
I am. Yeah, so we can move to that now if we wanted.
Yeah, and just before that, I know that if you're watching, you're probably focused on the expert on demand because it frees your time, but you need to remember also the security success partner, the success of your program will rely a lot on on working with this person, because it will allow you to meet your goals, make sure that your goals align with your business goals and you're not just underselling what you can do because you didn't know what AppScan can offer you. So we are very proud on what we're building and on the team that we have built to support this. So now I'm ready to go to the demo, Kathleen.
Okay, all right, good. Hold on. I've logged into ASOC, and I'm going to pick my first application here. Okay, and I'm going to go to all issues. I'm in here looking at all my issues, and I may want to go to my IDE or Jira to go find out more information about that. But I may also, click on this first item here and go over to how to fix and look at some information here that may help me resolve it. But maybe I don't find what I need and I need more help. And that's where the Ask an Expert comes in. So I can click this button. It'll open up a calendar where I can schedule time with one of the AppScan experts. So I'm going to pick, I'll pick this day here, and maybe I'll pick 6 o'clock. I'm going to fill in some details about myself. I'm going to be my email.
And we're not pulling this information directly from ASOC for a few reasons, and one of them is you may want to help someone else and schedule the call for them. Not common, but still can happen.
So in this section here, we're asking for information to help our experts with the problem. So in here, you can put, application name, you can put an issue ID, anything that will.
Yeah, basically anything that will help the expert to prepare better to the meeting.
Mm-hmm. Right. So I'll just put in, I need help with this. That's just a default thing that I had written in before. And then in the next section here, our experts are going to meet virtually with users. And we know that some organizations may have trouble with different web conferencing solutions. So we're going to allow you to pick which web conferencing solution you would prefer to use. If you don't pick a solution, it's going to default to HCL same time meetings. So I'm gonna go with that. And then here's just a personal, data consent. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit book. So first thing users will get is confirmation of the booking of the meeting. And then they'll also receive confirmation within their email. I'm just going to refresh the screen for a minute. There'll be 2 emails that they get confirming the meeting, right? Open this one. Okay, something like this. And again, there's a notice that the location information is going to be updated. So our experts will go in, once they've received the invitation, they'll go in and update that calendar entry. So I'm also going to, so that's the email. And then over here, I'm going to go to the calendar, hit refresh. And you'll see down here, it added a calendar entry for me. So has details in here about the meeting. Again, the location will be updated. Also, one thing to note is this part right here that says manage bookings. So all meetings, if a user wants to cancel it or reschedule, they need to do this through the Microsoft Office Bookings app. And so this link will take them to that application. I can show you if I click that link where it takes me. And here I can reschedule, cancel, or create a new booking.
Cool. And so you showed how to get to this from the issues, but you also told me that users can get to the expert in other options.
Right. So it's not only on the issues page. We've added that button to also scans, IaaS sessions, and fixed group pages.
Yeah, with the idea that all issues and fixed groups will be more where you have questions about the issue, you want help, and when it's on the area of the scans and IaaS sessions, maybe you need help with configuring the scan or optimizing it to get better results. Now, I think it's a great time for us to mention, Kathleen, this is not technical support, right?
Right. So, yeah, the experts are not going to be our support desk, our help desk. If that's a different type of assistance that we provide. Again, I think I mentioned some of the things that our experts do, which are, help with interpreting scan findings and providing advice for remediation and mitigation. So these are the kinds of things that experts will do.
Yeah,
consider this support.
Yes, you should consider this more of a security support and not technical support. Support all our customers are entitled to. You can just easily open the ticket and you have the support at the menu above. So if you have an issue, if you feel that the scan failed, if you feel that we are reporting false positives, you can reach out to support. This is outside of what we are showing to. So anything else that we need to demo, or can we go back to the studio?
No, that's it for the demo.
Okay, let's bring you back. Beginning. Thank you, Kathleen. This is really cool. I mean, we discussed, very excited about this capability, about the ability to empower our users to get more out of the program and get better in their program. This is not, this is an add-on offering. We're not forcing it to all our customers. We're not going to up our price because we want to provide services. This is really up to the customer to decide if they need it and how much of it they need. Correct?
Right. Right. Yeah.
And I'll include a link below to the page that you created with more information. Also, if you go today or tomorrow to your service and you see that button and you click on Ask for an Expert, you will have the option to hear more information about it, to see more information.
Yeah, so current customers, like Eitan, like you said, current customers can reach out to their rep and then for more, and you're going to put the link down below to the web page.
One thing that we forgot to demo, Kathleen, was about who will have access to this. Because when customers buy, they buy a certain amount of hours for support naturally. And we'll limit this. So which roles have access to this, Kathleen?
Right. So admins and managers by default will have access to this. And then it can be added on in custom roles.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, if you go to the roles in AppScan, in ASOC, you will see that a new option under, I think, premium features, we called it.
Premium features.
Yeah,
Yes.
and you can
Yes.
create a new custom role and give that, if you want to give it to all your developers, great. We just want to allow you to control who has access to it. Thank you, Kathleen, for joining the show. And I'm sure we will hear more about this AppScan for you in the next few months. Bye-bye.
Thanks for having me. Bye.